Okay, so today we are going to talk about identify operators. There are two identify operators in Python. So for that we will create a new file in my Python directory. This is my Python. I will create new file. File name I will give any file name. Identity operator will be my file name. .py will be my extension. As I told you, every Python file will have the extension .py. .py represent the Python. Okay, so as you can see, my new file is created. Okay, this is the as you can see, I have opened a code, and as you can see, this is the code for a DSA in Python, data structure and algorithm in Python. So we will talk about later after 1 month. After 1 month, whenever whenever we will complete a or core Java like this identify operators, variables, list, tuple, etc. Then we will jump on DSA in Python. So today's topic is identify operators. So I'll first uh, take here current file, and then I'll apply this interpreter. Okay, so we have two types of identity operator, or we can say identify operator. First identify operator is is only is is my identify operator, and second identify operator is I'm writing it in uppercase, is not. So first identify operator is, and second identify operator is not. So we will see how they work. Okay, so for explanation, I'm telling you, if I put x equal to 10, if I say, if I'm saying that my x is 10, means I have assigned 10 in x, and if I print x equal to 10, means he is saying that each operator is saying that yes, x value is 10. Your assumption is true, x value is 10, so it will return true. It will return true true if condition is true. Okay, and but in this case, is not identify operator false will return false value if condition is true. This is contrary. I'll tell you how this happens. So in first sentence, i'll I'll say x is equal to 10, and it is correct. Value of x is 10. I have given the value of x is 10. So it will so if I use is x equal to 10 like this, if I use x equal to 10, then it will, this is the correct value, because I have declared it, I have assigned 10 into the x, so it is correct value. So therefore, is x equal to 10 will return true value. It will return true value because it is true. But if I say, if I say is not, if I say is not x equal to 10, means what happened here, what I am trying to say is, here is not operator will reverse the value. As I know x value is 10, because I have assigned x value is 10. Okay, but what I am saying, my operator is saying, my operator is searching for is not equal to 10, then it will return false value, because x equal to 10 and operator is saying is not equal to 10. So it will become contrary, so it will return false value. Okay, so for that I will have to write a program. So I will assign x equal to 10. I have assigned the value x equal to 10 and y equal to y equal to 20. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, x equal to 10 and y equal to 20. equal to 10 and y equal to 20. I don't know what happened here. So I have assigned two values. Okay, wait 1 minute. Okay, x equal to 10 and y equal to 20. So these are my two values. Now I'm printing print. I'm giving the condition print is print x is y. So in this condition I'm saying that you have to print x is y, means x is equal to y or not. You have to, it will have to check x is equal to y or not. Is, so it will check is x equal to y. Equal to, we will use two equal to check the assignment condition. So on that we will print this value. It has invalid syntax. It is saying that we have taken invalid syntax. This is not an invalid syntax. Let me check what's happened here. So for that, if I have to check by using is operator, then I have to write x is y. So here what it will do, it will check whether x is y or not. So as we can see, x value is 10 and y's value is 20. So x is not equal to y, means we can say that x is not y. So it will return true value, it will return false value here. Okay, it has written false value because x is not equal to y. Okay, and we are saying x is y, so it will return false value. In second case, we will try x is not y. So in this case the compiler will give true value because x is not y. So compiler has given true value. So this is all about is and is not operator. These both are tricky operators. You have to practice to understand this. So these are all about is and is not operator.